Millions of people suffer from unhealthy hair, skin, and nails. It's living an unhealthy lifestyle with a poor diet that directly affects the way you feel and look. If you want healthy-looking hair, skin, and nails, biotin is the nutrient for you. Biotin is an essential vitamin that works from the inside out to encourage a glowing complexion, strong nails, and beautiful, healthy hair. It's an organic formula that provides biotin extracted from the sesbania plant, along with other natural cofactors and co-nutrients that help your body absorb and use biotin where it's needed most. Low-quality, synthetically produced biotin supplements are a waste of your money and efforts. Our biotin is the only all-natural, exclusively vegan biotin supplement that I recommend and take. Every bottle contains a full 60-day supply and backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Order your biotin today. Now is the time to enjoy beautiful hair, strong nails, and a radiant complexion with the best, most complete organic biotin supplement available.